Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile. If you lock your Facebook profile, only your friends will be able to see your post, photos, and profile picture and cover photos fully. If you don't want to see others like public who are not your friend to see your photos and post, you can lock your profile. Let's go to facebook.com. Now go to your profile. On the left menu, you can see there is your name and profile picture. Click there. Now on the right side, you will see there is a three dot option. Click there. Now on the bottom, you will see there is a lock profile option. Click there to lock your profile. Now read that how locking works. Then click lock your profile. Now you have successfully locked your profile. You can see there is written only your friends can see your photos and posts on your timeline. Click OK. That's all. Now when public who are not your friends search your profile and go to your profile, cannot see your profile picture fully or cover picture. Also, they will not see your photos and post. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.